explain about pasteurization. Pasteurization is the process where we want to clean our substrate of contaminants. I explained that the best method is to use the heat method. Remember, pasteurization, we are not just boiling. We are actually heating the substrate. Of course, we are using water. Other methods are to use steam, but the easier one to start with is to use water. So here we put fire with the resources that we have around. So this fire is used to increase the temperature in the water, in the drum, so that we can achieve a temperature of 60 to 70 degrees. We're going to show you how the substrate will be like before and the substrate will be like after the pasteurizing. So this is the prepared substrate that has been chopped. This is where we are going to be boiling, rather heating our substrate so that we pasteurize it perfectly. So this is our hydrated lime. Remember, we said we put hydrated lime so that it helps also in terms of pasteurizing. So in the pasteurizing process, we want to take our temperature between 60 to 70 degrees so that we remove the contaminants. That will give our spawn a head start when we spawn. So I'm gonna put our substrate in here, do this. Then after that, I'll pour some water in our, so press it down so that we can have more. If you are using a 200-liter drum, also try to press it so that we have more substrate in there. Adding hydrated lime, we put 100 grams in 100 liters of water. 100 grams in 100 liters of what? Of water. So if you are using a 200-liter drum, that means you just put a cup of hydrated lime. So here I'm gonna just use a rough rule of thumb and expect that this is the amount of hydrated lime that we need. Remember, it's all about ratio. So to save time, I'm just gonna use a rough rule of thumb. And after that, we will pour water. Okay. Make sure that when you are pouring the water, it will reach somewhere here, a bit top of the substrate. All right. So now we are taking it to the fire. Okay. So here now we are adding. So here we are putting our pot on fire so that the heat can actually take its course. So we actually put our pot here for an hour. An hour will be enough. So what we'll be doing is we'll be adding more fire so that we get to 60 degrees. Then we'll be reducing fire when it goes above 70 so that we maintain it just for that same hour. So what we're going to do here is either, if you want, you can close it the top of the drum so that it becomes easier for you, it's faster, but for here we just leave it like this.
So how do we know that we have put the correct amount of water?
The correct amount of water, you just press here. If you see the water coming on your fingers, that means that the water is correct. You don't need to have water that's half. You need to fill in the pot so that the water, if you just press like this, you see it.